What is the usual story in early universe cosmology? So the hint is that the closer back you look to the Big Bang, the simpler things get. That's the sort of fundamental clue that we're given. And the goal in early universe cosmology is to understand that hint. What is it trying to tell us? The conventional picture is, okay, it's true that things get simpler and simpler as you go backward in time, all the way back to a fraction of a second. As far back as we can see, things get simpler and simpler. But if, according to the standard story, if you could see even further back, you would discover that trend was an illusion. That if you could see back even further, you would see that even earlier there was a big mess, a very inhomogeneous, messy universe with maybe giant fluctuations in the curvature and temperature and density from place to place, a very chaotic beginning. And according to that view, the goal of a theory of the early universe is to explain how that messy initial state got transformed into the pristine, symmetric, simple state that we actually can see. And so the idea of inflation is basically that there was a period in between those two, in between the mess and the simplicity, that there was a period of very rapid exponential stretching of the universe. And effectively, that stretching has the result that when we look back, our past light cone, the portion of the universe that we can see using our telescopes, effectively gets zoomed in on such a tiny piece of the mess that we can't see how messy it is. We end up just seeing a tiny little speck of the initial messiness that has been stretched out so much that we can't see what a mess it was part of. It looks like the simple state we see.